What's going on, everybody? I'm back here at the rental. We just took a little trip to Mexico to just get away for a little bit. Had a lot going on. Had an opportunity to sneak away, found a good deal on a trip, and we took it. So I'm back here at the rental. It is February 9th. So we purchased this place January 24th. We've been away for about a week. Had some work going on. Let's take a look, see what's kind of gotten done. Didn't have too much going on in this kitchen. Still needs to be repainted. The bathroom here, we were just gonna have it painted, and we decided to rip off this paneling. I'm gonna work on that tonight, get this paneling ripped off and get this whole bathroom repainted. Family room has been all repainted, and we did get some new carpet installed in the bedrooms, and the bedrooms have all been painted. Walls and ceilings have all been painted. This hallway has also been painted with new carpet. Everything's looking pretty good. It's coming together. Bedroom number 3. Got the carpet, walls, everything's painted. We're going to have to come back and do some final dusting. Hang the doors, light switches, and do all that. We're going to knock a lot of that out tonight. This bathroom we never touched. This was in good shape from day one. Said everything looked good in here. Gonna leave this one alone. Family room's all painted. This kitchen, like I said, will get repainted. In the garage. Garage has also been repainted. I don't remember what it looked like before. It was kind of a nasty green. Got a lot going on in here as we're kind of storing all our tools and ladders and whatnot. So we painted everything here gray, freshened it up. Definitely looks a lot better. Instead of that kind of olive green or whatever you want to call it, kind of the color of this desk right here. So it's coming along. Like I said, this is February 9th. We purchased it on January 24th. The first 4 days I have a video of that, and you can look at that in one of the previous videos. This one will basically be a video from tonight's Friday. We'll be here Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'll wrap this video up on Monday. We'll take a look at how it looks on Monday when we get this, when the video, I'll try to get this video published or uploaded up to YouTube Monday. We're going to continue to work through this weekend. It'll be a long Friday night for me. I want to wrap up a lot of this stuff tonight, and hopefully the painter will come back tomorrow. Finish this last bit of paint. I want to get the doors hung, plate covers on. I want to get a lot done tonight. It's going to be a long night, probably not a lot of sleep. Typical for the way I've been working, but it'll be worth it in the long run. We had some people stop by today to look at the rental, and I told them this probably would be back in shape on Monday, and they probably thought I was nuts and probably blowing smoke up their tailpipe, but we're going to get it done, and even though it's a lot of work, I'm not scared of it. One of the things I am doing is ripping this paneling out of this single bathroom, this bath and a half, I mean. I didn't plan on doing it. Like I said, we bought this with the intention saying, we'll just rent it out. It's great shape, but we wanted to make it look a little bit better. So I ripped all this paneling out of here. You can see the wall now got a ton of holes to fix. Ripped the vanity out and get all this back together. I'll get these holes patched. Probably get the vanity back put in tonight. Got the painter coming tomorrow to wrap this up. It's 11:15. I got the bathroom all prepped, ready for paint. Gotta come back and sand off the last coat of patch to fix these nail holes everywhere. What else we get done? Got the blinds hung in the bathroom, or the bedrooms. Blinds are hung in the bedrooms. Outlet covers are on. All the outlets, new plugs, new plate covers. 3 new smoke detectors, a new ceiling light. Blinds are hung. Closet doors are hung. Bedroom doors are hung. More bedroom doors hung. More blinds hung. Closet doors hung. That one needs a little bit of lubricant on the hinges. It makes a terrible sound. Nothing major. Bedrooms are all complete. Hallway's complete. with the light above me, 3 smoke detectors, smoke detector in the kitchen. Curtains are hung in the family room. And the bathroom's a mess. Hopefully our painter shows up tomorrow and does his trick with this thing. What's going on, everybody? I'm back here at the rental. We had a pretty big storm today. You can see there's quite a bit of snow out there. Plowed the driveway. Actually used a snow blower to clean that up. But we made a lot of progress this weekend. Everything's all painted. Everything's wrapped up. I did clean the carpets. I have a cleaning business, so I use my equipment to clean these carpets. All the bedrooms are carpeted. Kitchen's done. This is our last area we got to clean up. We got to get the tools out of here. Scrub this floor one last time. Kitchen's painted. Caulked around the base of the countertop, made that look a lot better. Painted the door, the wall, cleaned up the appliances. This bathroom, we did end up ripping the paneling out. It does look a lot better. Ripped the paneling out. I painted the mirror, the light fixtures black. They were kind of like a patina look. These closet doors need to be, I'm going to take those home, scuff them up and paint them. But this bathroom definitely looks a lot better without the paneling. Hung some mini blinds. Place really came along good. Took the cabinet up so I could rip the paneling off and caulked along the back. There was a big gap there. Filled that in. That definitely looks a lot better. And back down to here, we got the doors hung. Blinds are up. Put a new ceiling light in here. Also in this kitchen, we put a new light in here. We got rid of that green stained glass light that was hanging. We put an LED light fixture in there. All the plate covers are on. Doors are hung. Closet doors are up. Mini blinds are up. Registers are all on, painted. Everything's wrapped up. We did a lot of work this weekend. Closets are in. We got some carpeting in the closet. Doors are all hung and set. This bathroom we never touched. Let's go into these bedrooms. You can see these bedrooms, we vacuumed them. Mini blinds are hung up, doors are hung up. Everything's pretty much wrapped up. This room, same thing. Vacuumed the carpet, everything looks really good. We have that vent in the kitchen, has a coat of paint on it. Everything's cleaned up, looks really good. I'm happy with the progress. It was a lot of work. We did more than we thought we were going to do. We anticipated just basically throwing a coat of paint on it, getting some renters in with two of the bedrooms we were going to carpet, the other one we was going to leave. So we ended up doing 3 bedrooms, new carpet, cleaned this carpet, ripped the paneling down in this bathroom, painted the fixtures, hung mini blinds, hung some lights, changed all the outlets and plate covers to white. They were that ivory color or the bone. Did that. We did trim a lot of trees. We did have an opportunity with some 50-degree weather. We trimmed some trees that were rubbing on the house. This bathroom definitely came out a lot better than what we anticipated. But we're really happy with the results. It was a lot of hard work. Now we're in the process. We had some more candidates come by today. Potentially some good renters. We might move forward with them. We'll see. For right now, this is Sunday. The date is, let me see what date it is. February 11th. So we purchased this place January 24th. Got a lot of work done. We actually took a week off. Didn't do much here. We disappeared for a bit, took a little vacation to recharge, energize, and spend some time with our kids. And we're back here now. And I also did all door locks. All the door locks are new. 4 new door locks. Let's see what else we did. Got the garage cleaned up. Let's take a look in the garage. Still got a lot of stuff to throw away in the garage. The carpet, the paneling, some leftover carpet. Basically everything along that wall has got to be hauled home or to the garbage up in that front corner. But it's coming along good. This actually got painted gray, hung an LED light here. New door locks on there. The place didn't really need that much work, but I guess we were eager to put our own little touch on it, and we don't mind doing this work. So we did it in a good time frame. Still have an opportunity to get some renters in here. Like I said, we haven't had anybody that we really jumped out at us yet, but we'll keep looking. So stay tuned for the next video. The next video will be wrapping everything up, getting everything out of here, and it'll be the final touches on the kitchen. Wrapping that part up, everything, tools, vacuums, final touches, like I said. And basically lock it up and wait for some renters to get in here. There is a spot here in the one bathroom I did find. It was soft on the floor. Looks like the shower may have leaked, or when people take showers, they didn't really watch what they were doing. But there's a soft spot right in here. And I might rip this floor up and fix the soft spot in the wood, cut that out, replace the subfloor, and put the vinyl laminate flooring in. Kind of looks like a wood, and then I'll caulk the edges to prevent that from happening in the future, so we don't have to worry about the floors rotting. But looks like the snow finally stopped. Got to go back home. Got a vehicle stuck in the driveway from all the snow we have. We'll get that plowed out. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. I'll continue to do some more of this rental, and also some other ones with some drone footage coming up. I just got a brand new drone, and also now spring's not too far away, and we'll start traveling up north and getting some good images and some videos of northern Michigan. So subscribe to the channel, like, and also check out my Jay's Commercial Cleaning page. I do a lot of work around here in some local businesses, stripping and waxing floors, carpet cleaning, routine cleaning, and take a look at those, see if you're interested in those. If you know anybody that needs commercial cleaning, contact me. Definitely take care of them.